Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try out something new that I haven't seen before on like any YouTube video, but that I did get complimentary from Influencer. They partnered with Bare Minerals, and Bare Minerals just launched this new app where it's called, it's called Bare Minerals M2F. So I'm looking at the app now, it's loading. So basically, it's called Made to Fit, and basically you take pictures, like it shines a light and you compare it to like paper, and then in good lighting you like take images of your face like up close, and it is supposed to make your perfect foundation shade. Like, no matter what skin tone you are, what undertones you have, like, it'll make the perfect one for you. So, I got mine complimentary through Influencer from Bare Minerals. And it tells me the date that it was made, which is February 7th. And it says exclusively formulated for Kyla, which is my name as a fluid ounce. And that's it. It's called Fresh Faced Liquid Foundation Made to Fit for Kyla, customized by Match Company, and then it just says Bare Minerals. So it looks like this. It retails for $49.50. It tells you that through the app, and then Influencer gave me a code to get it for free. You twist it, and it comes off. Well, you don't have to twist it, I guess. It has a pump. So my face is clean, but I'm going to prime it just to give it a fair shot using the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. I've used this before. I just enjoy it. My skin isn't at its best right now. I don't know why, but it's not. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so hopefully you can kind of like see my face a little bit better. No, maybe a little too close. Okay, and then I'm going to put something to kind of blur my pores. The Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. Wait. So as you can see, I have some redness. I have like swatched this on my face a little bit, but I haven't put it on my face really. Sorry if you can see my mirror. Like, obviously you can, but I need to be able to see too. So we're gonna do like half of my face with the Beauty Blender and half of it with the brush. Kind of see how it goes. So I'm just gonna, it doesn't say to shake, but I'm gonna shake it just in case. And we'll see if it's my perfect shade and what it's like. This is $49.50, so it's pretty expensive for a foundation. We're just gonna pump some on my face. I'm just gonna do one half for now so we can kind of see. So just like first off the bat, it looks a little bit dark, but it has kind of like an orangey undertone, like it's already oxidized. Okay, so one half of my face is done. Can you guys tell a difference? I think it just looks darker, but it definitely doesn't match my neck. Like, can you guys see the difference between my face and my neck? My neck is a lot lighter now than my face. Personally, I would rather my face match my neck because that's what it's cohesive with, but this one definitely does not. So I'm going to do the other side of my face now, and then I might try another pump and see how that goes. But I'm going to use a brush on this side and see if it makes a difference. Oh no! Oh man! I got it on my shirt. Dang it. Well, I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender to kind of dab that little blotch off. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've used 3 pumps now on my face, and it gave like not much coverage on at least the Beauty Blender side. So this is definitely more coverage than on this side. Can you guys tell? But it is still not my color, which is kind of aggravating because it's supposed to be your perfect match. And so I'm wondering, like, if other people do this, are they going to get their match? I mean, I know that I'm really fair, but still, like, you should include everybody. I wonder, like, a more deeper skin tone if they would get theirs, or someone with pink undertones, because this one's pretty yellow. Like, it has, like, an orangey look to it, and it seems to just be oxidizing by the minute. So I'm going to go over it yet again with the second layer and see if we can build it up, because right now it's really light coverage, and you can still see everything. So I'm only going to do half of my face with the second layer. It definitely gives more coverage, but it is very much looking darker now. And you can still see like some of my redness peeping through, like hence this little like discoloration that I have right here. And it definitely looks fake, like really fake. It looks like super like shiny now. Whereas this side looks a little bit more natural, but still a little bit luminous. Personally, so far I'm not a fan. But we are going to put some concealer on. Since it is such a light coverage, I'm going to use a light coverage concealer, the Dream Lumi. And this just like glides right on over it though, which is kind of nice. It's in the shade Ivory, the Dream Lumi by Maybelline. I'm just gonna try to like conceal some of these bags, I guess. Like, look at the difference. Normally this concealer is like a good match for me, but can you see like the difference between this and my face and then my neck? Like, it's getting darker as time progresses. Especially the side that I did 2 layers on. But this concealer does blend in pretty well. It is looking really dewy. Why is there like a black glop? What? This was a clean beauty blender. It is looking very dewy. Like, can you guys tell? I hope so, because it's real dewy. Real dewy. Now look orange. Like, if I was tanner, this might work. But I'm not tan. I'm pale. It's the middle of winter. Look at my neck. Like, my mom would be like, Kylie, you have a line of demarcation. Okay, let me go ahead and set it. I'm just going to use the usual Coty Airspun and see if we can mattify it a little bit. I'm just going to use a brush instead of my beauty blender. Like, you can still see the redness in my cheeks and everything. Like, can you guys see the difference? I look like an Oompa Loompa. So this did help mattify it a little bit so far. Like, can you see the difference here in my neck and my face? I hope so, because it's real orange. Let's see. Like, I like the fresh face kind of look that it gives, even though you can still see a lot of my redness. And, like, the contrast between my concealer and my face is a lot, especially in this lighting. Let's see what Lana thinks. Hey, honey! Honey! Come here. I need you to tell me how this looks.
From here, it looks good.
My foundation?
Yeah.
What do you mean, kind of?
Your eyes look a little weird.
My eyes look weird?
The top of your eyes.
Like, here?
Yeah. Your eyelids, I guess.
Why do they look weird?
I don't know. They don't look like they normally do. I don't know.
But my face, my skin, how does that look?
From here, it looks really good.
You're also like 15 feet away.
Well, maybe.
Well, from a distance, I guess it looks good. Does it look like my color? Okay, well, I'm not going to wear this because it is obviously not my color. Like even my hands, it doesn't match. So overall, it looks pretty decent. Like it's a little bit heavy looking on the side that I did a second layer, but on the normal side, like it just looks like it looks pretty nice. So I like the finish in general with one layer. It doesn't cover blemishes, of course. It's like a light coverage foundation, I guess. It got darker as it dried, something to note. And it is pretty yellow in undertone. Like I like my foundations to be a smidge more yellow than rather than pink, but this is just like too much for me. But as it's drying and as I've set it, it's not too bad. Like, it doesn't accentuate my pores or anything, but that could be due to the primer. It does look like I have just like a fresh face on this side, and it doesn't look too heavy on this side. I wouldn't mind it if it was my color. Will I wear it again? Probably not until I'm more tan, which it will be this summer, if I get tan. But I mean, like, if you blended it really well, I guess, or if it was your color, you would be fine. Overall, the Fresh Face Liquid Foundation from Bare Minerals isn't my favorite. Probably won't wear it again anytime soon, but this is what we're dealing with. So, yeah. Let me know in a comment below if you've tried something like this. I kind of like this whole light coverage thing, because you can still see, like, my freckles and whatnot, but it covers, like, a smidge of my redness. I wish it covered more, of course. Like, I get really red on my cheeks, and I have, like, this splotch over here, of course. But just I can't get to go away. But yeah, if you know of one that's like a light coverage but doesn't oxidize and isn't really orange and has light colors, let me know, because I want one like that. But yeah, this is not my favorite. It's not tacky though, it's really soft, but that could be the powder. But yeah, that's that. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because when I hit 500, Landon's gonna pick my makeup for me. You can follow me on Instagram at MakeUpMySmile. What else? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed trying new things like this. And leave a comment what your favorite foundation is. I will see you guys next time. Bye!